Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install Grok AI on your mobile phone step by step. Grok AI is a powerful artificial intelligence assistant that lets you ask questions, generate images, generate videos, analyze files, and get real-time answers directly on your mobile phone. The Grok app is available on both Android and iPhone, and you can install it easily from your Play Store or your App Store respectively. So whether you're a student, a tech creator, this tutorial will guide you through everything you need to know to get started. So make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Now let's get started. The first step you have to take is to go over to your Play Store or your App Store. If you're using an Android device, go over to your Play Store, or if you're using an iPhone or an iOS device, then you have to go over to your App Store. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on my Play Store to open it since I'm using an Android device. If you're using an iPhone, tap on your App Store. The same step follow. Just follow me along. So let me tap on my Play Store. So once your Play Store opens up or your App Store opens up, the next step you have to take is to search for Grok AI. So you can do that by tapping on the search icon at the bottom right. So let me tap on it. Then you tap on the search bar at the top. Then what you can simply do is to type in Grok AI. So let me type in Grok AI. Then after that you tap on search. Right there you can see that's the Grok AI app. You can see the name right there, Grok AI Assistant. You can see the logo. So what you have to do is to tap on it to open up the web page. So let me tap on it right away. You can see right here, this is the Grok app, and as you can see, it has over 100 million downloads. So what you can do now in order to download and install this app is to tap on where you can see install. You can see it right there. So let me go ahead now to do that. So right there you can see the Grok app have started downloading. So what we have to do is to wait till it gets to 100%. So once it's fully downloaded, it's going to start installing automatically. So it's at 78% now. It's going to get to 100, and it has gotten to 100%, and it's now installing. Wow guys, you can see the Grok AI app has been downloaded and installed automatically. So what I can do right away now is to go ahead now to open it. So let me tap on open. You can see right here the Grok AI app has opened up. So what I can do now is either to log in or sign up if I've not created an account before. So this I can simply download and install the Grok app on your mobile device, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye.